Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to add hashtags and links into Instagram bio. For that, I was clicking on a YouTube channel for the Instagram link, and here I was sharing this link and copied. After that, I was coming to Instagram account and clicking on Instagram account, and here I was clicking on edit profile, and I was clicking on here we have the symbol of add link. I was clicking on that. So here I was clicking on external add link, and I was pasted it. Uh, I was giving the title of click here. uh, I was click on right option. After that we need a hashtags. For hashtags I was going to Microsoft or Google Chrome. Which application do you have? You need to click or type on that. I was typing that hashtags. uh, After that it will give the hashtags to me. It was given the hashtags. I was clicking on the best hashtags, and I was copying these hashtags. After that, again I was going to Instagram account, and here I have the bio. I was pasting the hashtags, and I was clicking the right button. This much of hashtags, I think the Instagram not allow. Now I was clicking on right option. I was clicking on right option. So like this you can add hashtags and links on Instagram bio. Thank you.